Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2012 Chevy Impala 2.4 motor. I'm going to show you this one outside of the car because there's just no room. Alright, so we're doing a starter assembly. If you're looking at the car, underneath the car facing up, starter assembly will be facing like yay. This bolt here, not much of a problem to get to. This one up here, real fun to get to. So what I used is an extension, 15mm swivel. You're not going to be able to see this bolt because of where it's going to be located at, right below the intake. You'll be able to see it when you get it out, obviously. So you'll kind of fumble around. There's going to be another bolt about right here. It's going to be an 18. That's going to be for the transmission. So that's definitely not the one you're going to be taking out. This one here is a 15. The one on the bottom is a 15. So what you'll do is you get an extension and a swivel and just kind of fumble around in there. You can get your hand up in there, but you're not going to be able to get two hands. So you can get one hand, put the extension, line it up on the bolt, come out here, use a ratchet, take it off. Bottom one, not so much of a problem. 13 here, and this little clip, stupid design again. When it's facing up, you can't get to it because there is really no way to do it. So you can get a pick, pull the little clip off, come out this way. I don't know why they wouldn't have this facing down to make it easily accessible for you to get it up, but of course not going to happen. 2 bolts, and of course always remember to disconnect your battery before you do any of this stuff, because you don't want to be Mr. Sparky and melt your fingers, melt your eyes, melt something. But other than that, pretty simple. It takes about 30 minutes or less. 2012 Chevy Impala 2.4. Thank you. Like and subscribe.